There you go, guys. Me and Danny at the Atwood Park, right?
Yep.
Like you guys see. And we are walking. Let's get to the spot. Okay, so we got all the way to the top. And right here, there's kind of like a hut. And they have like a original chimney, the old style. A little fire here. Right, Danny? It's beautiful, man, this spot. I really like it. Barbecue is right here. There you go. $500 if you want to rent this spot. But we are letting you know, so you gotta pay us. Okay.
Find those feet. Mushrooms. Dude, this is mushrooms.
It is?
Yeah.
What, you're showing your shoes? Getting dirty? Damn, Daniel! And maybe we should go close to the water.
You can go here faster.
Closer thing we can go. Wow. Let's go jump. Can we swim in there or no?
I don't think so.
Why they say we cannot swim in there?
Let's see if you can swim.
Oh.
I don't know.
Why?
I'm from Russia.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
I don't know. I don't know. But you see even here, you see the tracks? You see, I told you, same like last time. Look, there's two different tracks.
There's freaking this.
There's these ones, and there's those ones. I don't know if it's a fucking dog.
This
or...
is deer.
You think so?
100%.
And that one is dog?
That one is dog, is paw.
Dog?
Yeah. You see right here? This is probably a dog. And these are deer, I think. And as you can hear, probably it's a wolf too,
Coyotes.
because
Coyote.
you can hear those coyotes. But you are right, Danny. The shoe's getting dirty. It is right. Might be a coyote, might be dog. But deer is for sure, for sure. It's approved by me and confirmed by Mr. Danny, the preserve forest inspector. What? It's beautiful. Okay, and there's a bridge. Beautiful bridge. It goes to the other side of the trails, right? Let's go, Donnie. And that's our car. All right, we are leaving. How was your experience in this Atwood Park?
It was good. It was really good. I was happy.
Enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I loved
Now
it.
we're gonna. I don't know.
To admit that I was wrong.
It was a
I was so
pothole.
caught up in my job.
Look
Didn't
at.
see what's going on, but now I know.
It was a big pothole.
I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you, and I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby, I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that